true love in a heart-shaped box. Hide the keys so we don't get lost. I'm loved up, loved up, loved up. I'm loved up. I'm living inside my doll's house. You chase me around like cat and mouse. I'm loved up, loved up, loved up. I'm loved up. Let me tell you, ain't nothing like you. You're my world. And let me hold you, 'cause life without you feels so cold. Oh, so cold. Loved up, loved up, loved up. I'm loved up, loved up, loved up, loved up. I'm loved up.
Today is her big day, but before the wedding celebration, she needs her bridal transformation. The traditional journey she followed so far has begun long before today, when her soon-to-be husband proposed to her parents. Indeed, in Nigeria, a wedding is an alliance between two families, and to honor this unique event, the bride's look must be absolutely unforgettable. A resplendent and bold makeup look is de rigueur. Anything it takes for her groom and the crowd to get charmed in awe in front of her unmatched beauty. To put it simply, a Nigerian bridal makeup look is the definition of a sumptuous masterpiece of makeup art. No need to choose between eyes or lips. Vibrant tones are often used all over the face to make the bride shine bright. It all starts with a flamboyant eye makeup. Mesmerizing, colorful, and fiercely empowering. A thick liner to complete it. And of course, bold falsies to make a statement. When it comes to her skin, the goal is nothing less than perfection. To achieve that, there's nothing better than a high-level contour. Hella flawless skin. For her lips, again, drop-dead gorgeous is the watchword. They must exude sensuality and sophistication. This ravishing makeup is meant to highlight her traditional and bedazzling attire. The next essential to top it all, a gele, a majestic headwear designed to lavishly crown her elegance, celebrating her status and the legacy that she puts forth through this crucial milestone in her life. Yes, now she's a Nigerian bride.
Surprise. All my worldly things were aside. I guess that she had enough this time. Maybe I shouldn't lie.